So for this hands-on exercise, we're going to play with the CSS transform property. So I'm going to create my 11.6 folder, and I'm going to go into my starters folder and get the light and lighthouses image. So starters, I want light and lighthouse image. Copy those into this folder. I'm going to go get the starters.html right here, copy that over, so that's what we're going to work off of. So I'm going to open that one up in Notepad. So here is my starter folder. It already has some code in there, so let's look at what it looks like. So this is what our page looks like right now. Got our menu over here, navigation, close out these. So that's what we're working with to start with. So I'm going to open the index. I've got it open. I want to go to my CSS and I want to locate my figure element selector. So let's go to figure. So there's my figure element selector, and I'm going to configure a rotation of that transform. So I've got my margin, padding, width, background color, my border, my box shadow, and so now I'm going to come in and I'm going to say I want you to transform, rotate 3 degrees. Save that. Launched it in Chrome. So now you can see that it took that figure and it just kind of rotated it a little bit on my page. Now I'm going to go to my offer selector. So there's my offer. Again, background, width, margin, and I'm going to transform this and scale it up some so it's a little bigger. So I'm going to go transform, scale 2, save that, run it in Chrome. So now, without having to change anything, I just scaled this offer, so now it's bigger, and I rotated that picture. Again, it's just a little things, a little bit of CSS that makes our page a little more enhanced. Again, when you start to get a lot of this style, remember, I would just prefer you take all this, cut it out, and put it in an external style sheet. There's no reason to have all of this going on in your internal style sheet. It becomes a lot easier to work with in that external style sheet.